Hey guys, Adam Lee RC here. Pretty excited today. In the mail I got the new Element RC IFS conversion kit. IFS stands for Independent Front Suspension. As some of you know, most Toyota, like your Tacomas or your FJ Cruisers, and other newer models that are converted to crawlers have independent front suspension, unless they have a solid axle conversion kit. All your crawlers today don't have any independent front suspension unless you have like a Tamiya CC01 or something like that. So I've been waiting for something like this for a long time. I am a Tacoma owner, and I always wanted to build a scale Tacoma. I've built scale rigs of my Scout and my Power Wagon, but nobody's ever come out with this. So I've been waiting for this for a long time. I just got this in the mail. I've had this in the I have had these parts for a long time. The Proline metric kit that looks like a Tacoma. I've got matching BF Goodrich all-terrain, and I also had these wheels that look just like mine. These are the Methods. They look like I don't have Methods though. I have what are they called? I forgot what they're called, but they look like that. So I've been waiting to do a scale build of my Tacoma, and I had just been waiting for somebody to come out with something like this. There's been guys that made their own, but I guess to convert this to SCX10, you got to print out some 3D parts, and I do have a 3D printer. Hey Google, turn on 3D printer.
Okay, turning the 3D printer on.
So let's open it up and check it out. Let's get this on the bench for a closer look. Alright guys, we're here on the bench, and here's the back of the box. Looks like it comes with a metal servo horn, aluminum steering plate and rack, steel hinge pins brace, 12mm hexes, chassis mounted servo, durable front skid plate, integrated servo and mount, universal front drive shafts, metal input gear, metal ring gear, heavy duty 5mm diameter steel links, and metal ball bearings. Sorry if that doesn't focus. Parts bag 1 looks like a tie rod and tie rod ends. Get your bulkhead here in bag 3 and bearings. Looks like a top plate with your servo steering rack. There's your control arms. Looks like your skid plates. Hubs, bag 6. Springs in bag 7. Sticker kit. And that's it. It looks like I'm going to have to download oh, here you go. Thought I had to download the instructions maybe. Maybe you do. Let's open this up. Oh, here you go. So Sheet always has the best instructions, I think. Didn't say what parts I need to print out, but on their website it does for axial.